Yo, I'm peeing on a sailboat. LOL. Good morning! I've been up since 5. I locked myself out of my room. It was embarrassing. It's the 4th of July. Happy America Day. I am gonna get myself ready and then I'm gonna meet my dad and Becky for breakfast. Later, we are gonna pick up my sister and her boyfriend from the airport and then go sailing on the bay and watch some fireworks later tonight. Okay, I'm all showered and ready to go eat breakfast. Good morning.
If I had it to do again, I wouldn't change having my room.
This is my favorite place in this entire hotel. This is their little sitting room and they have an assortment of teas and coffees. Oh, it's so good. And you can just sit in here and read or do whatever. This is so good.
What's MTV even stand for?
Do you guys want to start? Just say hi.
Hello!
You guys are here. That's Steph. It's Rush. Rush, I'm taking cinematic video of your espresso. Ooh. This is like ASMR.
I want to spill it.
It's alright, it's a dangerous game, but someone's gotta do it. How is it?
It's good.
Where are we going? Sailboating. Yeah. We're gonna go watch, no, not watch. We're gonna watch the water and go.
You're gonna wash the water?
Yep, yep.
That's what you need to do, Andrew. Just gonna boat.
I'm gonna hand you guys some waiver forms.
You
know?
Oh, come aboard. These wires that go on the boat, we call them lifelines. Best places to hold on to are made of metal or wood.
Yeah. Yeah. Rush, are you excited?
Oh, is this a video? Very excited.
We're going under the bridge. Rush, how is the snackage? What is that? What is
It's
that?
good. Yeah, hummus is good.
so fun and I feel really cool. I think the next place I'm gonna live besides my truck is gonna be a sailboat. I could upgrade. Sailing back around Angel Island right now. Saw some porpoises. Saw a seal.
On the back of the
sailboat.
island.
Sailboat.
On the hill to the right.
Saw a sailboat.
No, it's right there.
Yeah, it is right there.
Up on top
Wow.
of the
Wind angle. This is the apparent wind angle. So this is the wind that going up there. Because if you go too much into the wind,
Looks like you can get there.
so thanks for coming with us again, Bill.
Thank you. Absolutely.
Everybody have a happy 4th of July. All right, you got it?
Maybe.
Yeah. Thank you. Rush, pop quiz. Where are we going?
Water
Restaurant.
restaurant. Are we going straight to the restaurant?
Yeah, we're going to the restaurant.
It's like the appetizers, but I can't get any of them.
Incidents is that what you have with people shooting into the ER?
I'm fine, because Jerry and I are moving on.
Look at that.
Had a guy
I am so tired. So those were the fireworks on San Francisco Bay. Once again, thank you for watching. Highly appreciate it. And once again, I hope you had a fantastic 4th of July.